Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Standing on the edge of Columbus Circle, looking up at the massive Beaux-Arts facade of Union Station, you're witnessing the grand front door of America. When it opened in 1907, this was the largest train station in the world, a monument to the power of the railroad and the ambition of a growing nation. Designed by Daniel Burnham, the legendary architect and urban planner behind the City Beautiful movement, the station was intended to be more than just a transit hub. It was designed to be a triumphal entry into Washington, D.C. Its architecture doesn't just invite you in, it announces that you've arrived at the center of the world. The facade is a masterclass in Roman-inspired grandeur. You see the three massive arches modeled after the Arch of Constantine, which serve as the primary portals. Above them, 6 colossal statues represent the virtues of the classical world and the progress of the industrial age: fire, electricity, freedom, imagination, agriculture, and mechanics. These figures look out over a city, acting as silent sentinels for the millions of travelers who pass beneath them each year. The white granite glows under the DC sun, creating a brilliant contrast with the greenery of the surrounding parks and the deep blue of the sky. As you look around Columbus Circle, you see the station's relationship to the rest of the city. Directly to the south, the gleaming white dome of the US Capitol rises above the trees, perfectly aligned with the station's central axis. To your left and right are the grand postal and government buildings that reflect the same neoclassical DNA. The space is a constant swirl of motion, the rhythmic arrival of taxis, the hum of the red tour buses, and the steady stream of commuters rush towards the metro. It is the city's pulse at its most visible. But even amidst the modern hustle, the station retains a sense of timelessness. It has welcomed presidents, kings, and millions of everyday Americans heading off to war or returning home. It survived decades of neglect in the mid-20th century, only to be meticulously restored to its former glory in the 1980s. Today it stands as a symbol of the city's resilience and its commitment to preserving its architectural heritage. Standing here at the threshold between the rail and the street, you feel the connective energy of Washington. Behind you lies the vast network of the American landscape. Ahead of you lies the ceremonial heart of the Republic. Union Station is the bridge between those two worlds. As you take one last look at the towering arches and the statues above, you realize that this isn't just a place to catch a train. It's a place where the history of the country is in constant motion. It is the perfect conclusion to your journey and the layers of the Capitol.
Must not exceed 25 pounds. This work is allowing you to support the customer service representative, and we will assist you for safety. And Saturday, tonight, transport will charge fees for passengers in the second technology. For security reasons, all baggage must have a personal
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.